Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model BE1313Q in color code 1238. It's a Bardex light gold color frame. On the temples here we have the Burberry design. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. And this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are demo lenses with the Burberry logo engraved in black. The style of the frame is full rim, and this frame is RXable. Up here we have a Burberry case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a gift box.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.